Okay, it's Friday night, and we now have, not only do we have the spindle on, or the, not spindle, the router, Porter Keyhole 690, um, but I haven't got my spoil board attached yet, but we're going to work on that later. But we have a computer connected. Now, I had on a big computer set aside that my wife had gotten for me, a used one that I was going to use, but it's password protected and I can't get into it. So I decided I had this little Latte Panda. Now this is a little computer. This is literally the computer right here. And it costs 140 bucks. It has an Ethernet cable. It has pretty much everything, and it runs a full version of Windows 10. It also has this touchscreen display on it, which is kind of cool. I've connected it to an external monitor as well because I don't want to look at that little thing all the time. And then I've got an external keyboard for it. So I just want to see if it runs with this. I don't know if I'm going to use this the whole time, but so I connected it and got my limit switches set up. There's one in each of the corners except for the back corner. You don't need one back there. And then there's one on each end of the X gantry, and then there's one at the top of the Z gantry, which I need to check too. So what I've been doing is I've been going around, and as you can see on Mach 3 here, this is the control software. My reset button, if I use something metal to come in contact with the limit switch, then you'll see the light on the limit switch goes on. And what it does, shuts off my, it's like hitting the emergency stop. It basically stops the machine. And that just lets the gantry know that it's getting too close to the sensor. Now I'm just going to test my Z sensor here and see what happened there. And that one didn't set it off. So, but the cool thing is everything is running. Now I'm using my keyboard to jog, which means I'm sliding the machine around. But if you watch, we have movement. We've got fast movement. So we got a working machine. So a little bit of tidying up to do. Got to check that Z sensor, and that's it. We're just gonna probably get the spoil board ready and start cutting some things.